Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix no audio output device is installed in Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So here we are in our Windows, and from here what we're going to do is that we're going to go into our start menu and go into device manager right here. So type in device manager, and then once you're here in device manager, what you want to do next is you want to find the audio inputs and outputs. So you want to expand this right here, and you want to go for the speaker that you want to fix right here. So since we are gonna go for speakers right here, then we're gonna go and right click on it, and you can click on and install. But if you're having problem on your microphone, then you can also do the same. So go and right click on it and uninstall device, click on uninstall device right here. So once you have done that, you don't have to worry that it would be gone, because once you restart your computer, it would automatically reinstall it and you would have a fresh driver right here. So once you have done that, you would not want to restart it yet, because we're gonna do another step. So that step would be going here into our system devices, and you want to expand this, and then from here you want to find the audio controller right here. So let's find it right here, so we can, as you can see, here it is, audio controller, high definition audio controller right here. So once you have found this, then you want to right click on it again and click on add install. And once you have uninstalled it, then we may now restart our computer. But I suggest that you turn off your computer and you leave it for 5 to 10 minutes after restarting it again. But as you can see in my case, I didn't do it because mine is working fine. I don't have to do anything with this. So once you have successfully restarted your computer, then you can test it out if the problem has been solved. But if not, then I suggest that you go back here into the device manager, and then from here you want to go and update all the drivers that you have and select search automatically for drivers right here. So make sure all the drivers that you have right here for your audio inputs and outputs right here is updated to the latest drivers. And as you can see, my best drivers are already installed in each driver that I have. And with this one, then I can just go and select exit right here, and now I can test it out if my audio inputs and outputs are now working. But if not, then you can go into the start menu again, and from here you want to go and type in sound, and you want to go into the sound settings. And from here, what you want to do is that you want to make sure that your output device is correct, because this might be the one that is causing your error, and your input device is also correct right here. Make sure that it's the one that you're using. Then once you have made sure of that and still not working, then what I suggest is you go into the manage sound devices right here. If you're going to go for speakers right here, and make sure it's not disabled, then you can test it out if it's not working. And yeah, I highly suggest that you test out your device, because it might be a hardware problem, not a software problem. And that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.